Alright guys, we got a 2017 Ford Fusion. Got a bad headlight bulb right here. As you can see right there, there's no light coming out of that one, but this one is working right here. Bang bang. Alright, but nothing here guys. Alright, so I'm gonna be showing you guys how to change this headlight. Alright, very simple. Alright, pop the hood open. Alright, right here on this side you're gonna see a little yellow tab. You're gonna push on that, the hood will come open. You're gonna take the little stand here and we'll put the stand right there. Right, so pretty much all I did was I opened the hood by pushing this, and you clip the hood up. Then you got this little stand right here stuck to this yellow thing. You pop it open and you push it right into that little hole right there. All right, so next step, we're gonna get to that bulb right there. You're gonna go to the back. You got this little plastic lid. You're gonna remove this. You're gonna push on this clip. Don't worry about it, the lights are on. This is not high voltage. Just be careful from the belts and stuff. I have the car off. So to remove this bulb, all you need to do is you need to turn it. All right, and it's very tight in there. Let me see if I can get my other hand in there. All right, so all I did was I twisted this. All right, I twisted this counterclockwise. So pretty much, let me see if I can get a good angle of it. All right, and I'll show you the bulb size once I have it out, guys. I don't know why they made this angle on this bulb, but it's all right. And I'll get this thing out, no problem. There it goes. All right, there's the bulb, guys. This is H11, all right? It says H11 right there, right? That's the bulb. That's what it looks like. And that's the bulb we're gonna change on this Ford Fusion right here. Very simple, guys. All right, I'm gonna wait for the bulb. I gotta order it. I believe I don't have this one. I'll order it and I'll get it and we'll pop this in. All right, guys, here's the old bulb and here's the new bulb that I got. Fill up. All right, I'm sorry about the reflection of the light. Fill up. H11. The part number, well, the H11 is the part number on it. But anyways, guys, whenever you're putting a bulb in, guys, simple little thing you need to know if you're doing it yourself. Don't touch the flare of the bulb. If you do touch it, just wipe it down with a cloth or something, because you don't want to get that grease and stuff off your hand onto the bulb. All right, so what you do is you simply take this bulb, these ears, you see the difference? They're different. All right, big, small. So all you do is you take this bulb, put it in there, and now is the time where we're gonna twist it clockwise. But first, make sure your bulb drops dead center, and then after that, once it drops dead center, just like I have it right there, you're just gonna twist it. Put your hand right in the center. All right, and twist it, and there I have it. All right, very simple, guys. And after that, all I do is I take my connector here, I'll plug this in same way I took it out, and it should like click in onto the bulb just like that. All right, and before I close this cap up, I'm gonna test the bulb because I don't want to be taking it out again. So let me go inside. I'm gonna turn the knob for the lights. There you go. There we have it, guys. Light is working, both sides. All right, so I hope this video helps you guys, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please send me a message. If you need help with anything, just send me a message. I will help you and send you some kind of feedback, some type of idea. Or all right, my camera shut off, but like I was saying, I will give you some type of idea or diagnostic or feedback in a way what's the process of doing something. All right, whatever the problem you're having. If you have a check engine, send me the codes, scan it, send me the codes, year, make, and model, and I will get back to you. All right, so bye bye, guys. And oh yeah, don't forget, let's not forget this cover, right? So you just take this cover and this thing just clips right on. All right, this makes it waterproof so the water doesn't go into the headlight. And you just put that on, and that's it, guys. You're all done. These little ears doesn't matter where you have it. All right, they're just for you to grab and pull them off. All right, so that's it. Bye bye. And I will take the old parts out, put them to the side, and we're all done.